Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Investment Trends where we discuss the latest news in the stock market and the economy. So for this week, we see the market on Friday giving back most of its gains that it experienced earlier in the week. On Friday, the large technology names are leading the market down, and about 11 sectors of the S&P 500 are negative on the day. However, as we look at the month of December as a whole, the NASDAQ was a leader as it's closing out the month with around a 4% gain in December alone. This was mainly led by Tesla and Alphabet, which is, as you know it as Google, leading the charge for the month of December. However, we saw the S&P is down about 1%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average is down about 4.5% for the month of December, which is the worst month it has seen since April. So collectively as a whole, it seems like the stock market is breathing a sigh of relief as we saw the post-election rally in stocks, and a lot of the uncertainty of the election is now behind us, and a lot of people are looking forward to what could happen into next year. There are some people that are worried about the new administration, and some of the policies that they have in place may be inflationary. So it's something to keep an eye on, as I do expect some choppiness and a bit of volatility over the next couple of months. January being a month where if stocks are right now, they're pretty highly valued. They're a little bit overbought. We could see a bit of a correction in stocks heading into January. So something to keep an eye on, as well as if you do have some losses in your portfolio of some stocks you may be looking to get rid of, now would be the time to do it, as you could sell before the end of the year and you could harvest some of those losses, look to offset some of your gains or other income that you may have. So for those of you also looking at interest rates, so as the Federal Reserve announced in their December meeting, they did cut interest rates. However, looking forward to next year, they may start to scale that back. So interest rates might not come down as much as we had originally assumed, or as much as the Federal Reserve had talked about in the beginning. So that's all I've got for this week, and a brief recap on the month of December. Hopefully in these last couple of trading days, we'll see a bit of the Santa Claus rally. Leave a comment below if you see any other stocks or any other sectors you're looking to invest in.